Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to redeem your code on the TestFlight application in 2024. Make sure to watch the video till the end, not to miss any important details. First of all, you're going to go ahead and click on the TestFlight application in the App Store and download it and then open it. Once you've installed that, it will show you this page and click on Allow, and then you're going to go ahead and click on Continue and accept invites. It's going to show you the terms and conditions, scroll down all the way and then agree it. And you will click on send by email. And then once done, as you can see on this page here, you can basically be ready to test or click on redeem. Before you start testing, the developer has to invite you to test one of their TestFlight apps. To accept an invitation, click on the link in the email or enter the invitation redeem code that they have gave you. You can find this redeem code through either social media, from the developer pages, or on their official website. You can search multiple websites such as TinyQuip to search for any invitation codes or redeem TestFlight codes. Here's some quick list. I'll leave the link in the description below for you to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.